Rahim, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, playgroup students. How are you all? Hope you all will be fine, safe and healthy. Alhamdulillah, I'm also good. Okay, students, I'm your class playgroup teacher from the educator school. This is your activity pad. Okay, open your book. Please take out your book. The book name is Activity Pad, Playgroup New Edition. Please open your book and take out the page number 5. Okay, open page number 5. Okay, good. Here's right. Help the aeroplanes fly across the page by tracing dotted lines from left to right. As you can see on this book page, there are aeroplanes. Aeroplanes show the direction of left to right. What is the concept of left to right? Who's tell me? Okay. Listen, this is the best example. Look at me, okay? Keep your hand over this book page. Keep your hand over this book page. This is your right side. This is your right side. Keep your hand, please. Okay. You eat your meal with right hand, okay? When you're writing a book or copy, so you start from the right side, okay? You start from the right side. So right hand show the direction of right side, okay? Right hand show the direction of right side. Okay, now keep your left hand on the left side. This is left hand, okay? Here you can see the picture of an aeroplane which is start from this arrow, okay? An arrow show the direction from left to right, okay? Show the direction from left to right, so that we will start from the left side to the right side. So trace with me on this dotted lines, which is left to right. This is left side and this is right side, okay? Hope you will understand the concept of left and right side. Okay, now start with me from this arrow. This arrow show the direction of left to right, okay? Now start from left. Draw a straight line. I mean to say, trace the dotted line. Good. Aeroplane fly across the dotted lines from left to right. Okay, very good. Doing very well, excellent. Hope you will understand the concept of right side and left side, okay? I am going to left to right side, okay? Hope you will understand my lecture, students, okay? Take care. Allah Hafiz.